all about. Making the children smile and showing love. And if we would love each other, not just one day of the year, but show love every day, the Arklatex would be a better place.
The Marshall Police Department also took part in the event and even donated several items.
The holiday wish line features pre-recorded messages from 6 kids who want
Thank you to Tommy Auto Sales. Thank you to Bill's Bike. Thank you to Bill's Bicycles. Thank you to the Marshall's Police Department. Thank you to Mr. and Mrs. Bennett, Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Thank you to Soda Lake Association for your donations. Thank you to our New Vision family who always come through. First week of this month, we took 60 kids shopping with a cop. Last weekend, we took teddy bears and blankets and quilts and socks to the nursing homes, 2 nursing homes. And this day, we gave away 48 bicycles today. We gave away 30-some yesterday. And we got some more that have come in, so we're going to give away some more tomorrow. In all, 115 bicycles total as of now, and we got some more coming in. Want to see you tomorrow morning, 9 o'clock a.m. Our Christmas service tomorrow at New Vision, the church on the hill, doing God's will. Continue to pray for us, please. Today was a success.